Welcome dear students, 8th class new book of Mathematics Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable Exercise 2.2, and we will do the first 3 questions of this exercise in this video. Watch and listen to the video very carefully and note down all the solutions, but make sure that you do all these questions on your own as well. So let's get started. And dear students, we will do each of these questions by two methods. So solve the following linear equations. Now these equations do not appear to be linear, but we can reduce them to the linear form. Like from here, we will come to this form. How we do it? So we see that 2, 5, 3 and 4. These are the denominators. So we will take the LCM of these denominators, and we get the LCM as 60. So what we do is multiplying both sides by 60, that is LCM 2, 3, 4 and 5 we get. So we multiply this term by 60, so it becomes 60x by 2. This term by 60, so it becomes 60 by 5. Again this becomes 60x by 3 and then 60 by 4. Now 60 by 2 is 30, so it becomes 30x minus sign this one. 60 by 5 is 12, so is equal to, then 60 by 3 is 20, so 20x plus sign, and 60 by 4 is 15. Now this equation has been reduced to linear equation of this standard form. Now we do the further simplification of transposing the constant terms and the variable terms. So we got this one. So transposing minus 12 to right hand side and 20x to left hand side, we get 30x minus 20x is equal to 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12 is 27. 30 minus 20 is 10. So 10x is equal to 27. In other words, x is equal to 27 upon 10 or 2.7. Now let's do this question by second method. So same question here. What we do is we will transpose this variable term x by 3 to the left hand side and minus 1 by 5, which is a constant term, to the right hand side. So we write like this, transposing minus 1 by 5 to right hand side and x by 3 to left hand side, we get this one. So we got this form. We have got all the variable terms on the left hand side and all the constant terms on the right hand side. So we got like this. Now LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we write one line, dividing line between the numerator and denominator, and 6. 2, 3, the 6. We divide this LCM 6 by 2 in our mind, we get 3. So we multiply that quotient by x, so 3x. We divide 6 by 3, we get 2. So we multiply x by 2. So minus 2x. Here again 4 and 5 LCM is 20. So we write here 20 as denominator, common denominator. So 4, when you divide 20 by 4, you get 5. 4, 5 the 20, so 5 into 1 is 5. Then again you divide 20 by 5, so 5 4 the 20, so 4 into 1 is 4, like that. So 3x minus 2x, we get x divided by 6. 5 plus 4 is 9, so 9 by 20. On cross multiplication we get x into 20, 6 into 9. So 20x is equal to 9 into 6. 9 into 6 is 54. So 20x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 upon 20. When you simplify it, you divide by 2. 2 is a common factor in both denominator and numerator. So here you get 27, here you get 10. So 27 by 10 is equal to 2.7. Same answer, but two different methods. Question number 2. n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So the denominators we have are 2, 4 and 6. So we take LCM of 2, 4, 6, which comes to be 12. Here, but you, dear students, it is 4, not 2 into 2. No, sorry, it's okay, alright. I thought I had made some mistake. So it is 2 into 2 into 3, 2 to the 4, 3 to 12. So LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 12. So multiplying both sides by 12, which is LCM of 2, 4, 6, we get So we multiply this term by 12, so 12n by 2. Minus sign, then 3n into 12 by 4. Again plus sign here, so 12 into 5n by 6 is equal to 21 into 12. Now 12 by 2 is 6, so it becomes 6n. So 12 by 4 is 3, so it becomes 3 into 3n, and 12 by 6 is 2, so it becomes 2 into 5n is equal to 12 into 21 is 252. Or it becomes 6n, 3 3 the 9 minus 9n plus 2 5 the 10 plus 10n is equal to 252. Or now what does it become? We can further simplify this left term. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 1 plus 6 is 7. So 7n is equal to 252. So n is equal to 252 by 7. 7 3 is 21. 25 minus 21 is 4. 2 comes down 42. 7 6 is 42. So n is equal to 36. This was the first method. Let's do this question by second method. So second method also very simple. We write the LCM straight away here. We draw a common line and we write the LCM here. 2, 4, 6. Because on the right hand side there is nothing. All the variable terms are already on the left hand side. So 2, 6, the 12. So 6 into n is 6n. This minus sign comes here. 4, 3 the 12, 3, 3 the 9. So 9n. Plus sign comes here. So 6 to the 12, 2 into 5 is 10. So 10n is equal to 21 by 1. So this whole number 21 we can write as 21 by 1 in the rational form, in the p by q form. So on cross multiplication we get this whole thing gets multiplied by 1, which remains same because 1 is the multiplicative identity. So 12 into 21 we write like this. So this is 252. 6 minus 9 is minus 3, minus 9 minus 3 plus 10 is 7. So 7n is equal to 252. N is equal to 252 by 7 is equal to 36. Let's do now question number 3. So question number 3 is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So this is given to us. We repeat the question here. Now the LCM of 3, 6 and 2 is straight away 6. It's very obvious because 6 is multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 2. So when you have a set of numbers like this in which one number is multiple of the rest of the numbers, then that number is the LCM of the whole group. So 6 is the LCM of this set of numbers 3, 6 and 2. So multiplying both sides by 6, which is LCM of 2, 3 and 6, we get x into 6, 6x, 7 into 6, we write like this, minus this term, 6, 8x by 3 is equal to 17, 6 into 17 by 6, minus sign, so here 6 into 5x by 2. Now 6x plus 6, 7, the 42, this minus sign, you divide 6 by 3, you get 2. So 2 into 8x is equal to 6 and 6 cancel each other out. So we get 1 into 17 minus, you divide 6 by 2, you get 3. So 3 into 5x. We simplify it further. 6x plus 42 minus 2 8 the 16, 16x is equal to 17 into 1 is 17 minus 3 5 the 15 minus 15x. So now 6x minus 16x is minus 10x plus 42 is equal to 17 minus 15x. So we repeat this line again on the second slide and continue. So we repeat this. And now this is the constant term 42, we transpose to the right hand side, minus 15x is the variable term, we transpose it to the left hand side. So transposing 42 to right hand side and minus 15x to left hand side, we get minus 10x plus 15x is equal to 17 minus 42. So minus 10x plus 15x is equal to 5x is equal to 17 minus 42 is minus 25. So x is equal to minus 25 by 5. 5 5 the 25 and minus sign. So x is equal to minus 5. Let's see how we do this question by the second method. So second method is x plus 7. We write the question like this here. So we know that 3, 6 and 2 is what? apna what do you call, our LCM is 12. So we don't do like that. What we do is we transfer these like constant term here 7 to the right hand side, and this variable terms minus 5x by 2 to the left hand side. So x by 1 minus 8x by 3, which is on the left hand side already, and minus 5x by 2 we transpose to the left hand side, plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6, this one, and minus 7 comes here. This is plus 7. On the right hand side it becomes minus 7 by 1. So now we treat this left hand side and right hand side separately. So 3 and 2 LCM is 6. So we write like this, and we write 6 as the common denominator. So when you divide 6 by 1 you get 6. So 6 into x is 6x. Minus sign comes here. 3 to the 6 and 2 8 the 16. So 16x plus sign comes here, then 2 3 the 6 and 3 5 the 15 plus 15x is equal to 6 1 the 6, 1 into 17 is 17. 1 when divide 6 is the quotient is 6, so 6 into 7 is 42. So minus sign here, minus 42. We simplify it further. So what do you get? Minus 16 plus 15 is minus x, and minus x plus 6x is 5x is equal to 17 minus 42 is minus 22. 6 and 6 cancel each other out because these are the, so this 6 and this 6 will cancel each other out, because on the left hand there is only one term on the left hand side and only one term on the right hand side. There is no in between plus and minus. So this is one term and this is one term. So when you have like this, then if the denominators are same, they can be cut. So they can be cancelled out. Okay. So what we get is this numerator becomes 5x, and this numerator 17 minus 42 becomes minus 25. So x is equal to minus 25 upon 5, which gives us minus 5. So dear students, these were the first three questions of exercise 1.2, which we have done by two methods each. So my suggestion is you also practice doing these questions by both the methods in order to get a good grasp on the concepts and enhancing your confidence. So keep doing your studies in a disciplined and a regular manner. Goodbye till the next video. Thank you very much.